Hey, welcome back to Casks-n-Que, where whiskey and barbecue meet. I'm your host, Justin Lloyd. I have with me my good friend, Henry Turner.
Hello.
This is episode 6 of our Whiskey Advent Calendar series, and we've had some really good ones. We've had some surprises. We've had some that we've nailed, and who knows what's going to happen on this one.
We've got some that we've completely got wrong.
Yes, we have. So let's go ahead and dig into this box and see what it's all about. Okay, so the color on this one is, it's darker. Almost like a rusty color.
Yeah, this has got little hints of red to it too.
Yeah.
I would say it's a little thinner in the glass than some of the other ones that I've got.
Yeah. But it's got some legs, but it's not like the others that we've tried. All right, well, let's nose it, taste it, and talk about it.
All right. Yeah. Let's take a nice little smell on this one.
Oh, wow.
That one's finished.
Yeah, something's different.
That is finished. One of the things I was going to talk about too is these little boxes that we have with the answer key in there. You can get those from Amazon. I think the boxes cost $7. If you wanted to, you could put the whiskey inside of there, but they're a little bit flimsy. But you can use those boxes for anything that you want to do. People do a lot of cool things with the Advent calendars for December, just kind of leading up to it, and sometimes getting their significant other or kids ready and amped up for the holiday.
Nothing like giving your kids whiskey for the holidays.
Whoa now. Whoa.
No, don't do that.
We don't do that here.
Okay, lots of oak.
Lots of oak. It's got some age on it, and I'm getting a tinge of a finish on here.
Well, there's a mustiness to it. Maybe that's the finish I'm getting. Is it like a red wine finish or something like that?
I'm thinking it might be that.
Oak spice, a deep, like almost like a cab, like a wine. Some of that nuttiness.
Definitely got some proof on it too.
Yeah,
I'm not in there too.
Yeah,
definitely got some proof on it
for sure. I was gonna say that too. It's proofy. I don't get much sweetness out of this one. Maybe a little bit, but yeah, that's predominantly what I get.
All right, I'm ready to dive into this.
Yeah, okay. That's got to have wine in it, or finished in wine barrels.
That's baby right there. That's bay. Oh.
Man, that's good.
That's got some proof on it too. That'll let you know.
Yeah.
To take a swig of that, it's going to let you know that you had something.
Sides of the tongue are burning. That is...
but not in a bad way. It's like,
no.
Hey, you just had yourself a high quality pour.
Yeah.
Nice oak, well balanced, not very sweet. You're right about that. But also it's oaky, but not over oaked. And that wine, the wine's more prominent on the nose than it is on the palate, in my humble opinion.
I would agree.
Yeah, it's like the wine finish is very prominent, kind of comes across that wine funk. But when it goes on the palate, it's just, very well balanced, put together, and delicious.
Yep, oaky, nutty, has that wine, like I would say red, I guess, or something like that. Merlot, I don't know. I'm not a wine guy. I'm gonna try to guess what this is. It's a finished. Oh God.
I'm gonna keep my mouth shut because I know exactly what this is.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Do you think it's one I've had before?
Yeah.
Oh, that really puts me on the spot. You answer that like with authority. Yes.
I could be wrong about this.
Yes, you've had it 73 times.
I know exactly what this is. There's a little bit left in the sample bottle. I'm gonna go ahead and put
Yeah.
in
Knock
here,
it out.
Just don't want to let that go to waste.
Is this Midnight Winter's Dram?
Nope. It's a bourbon. I did not put that in.
Oh, you didn't?
Nope.
It reminds me of that.
Yeah. You're
spicy
You're very close. I will give you a clue. I would say that the wine finish is the same for dram as this bourbon. So what is Midwinter Night's Dram finished in?
There's a bottle up there. Hang on.
Oh, this is going to be a fun reveal, guys.
I'm going to tell you exactly what it is. Oh, there we go. Excuse me, Henry. Ooh, there's a little left in there. This is the Encore. Oh, port barrel.
Okay. Still didn't help you out at all?
No.
All right, I'm not gonna tell you what it is. So,
Port barrel finish. Bourbon.
yes,
I should know this.
you really should. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Oh my gosh, what can it be?
I don't know, guys. Look here. Can anybody at home help him watch
Help me.
along? You know, just maybe in the comments before we give the reveal what this is. I could
What's
be
in alive?
I could be 100% wrong about this, but I think I know what this one is.
This is a Penelope.
Is that your final guess?
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna open this and see what it is, and I could be 100% wrong, but he said that this what he's sticking with is Penelope of some wine finished Penelope.
One of the finished Penelopes, yeah.
So this is one of my top 5 bottles at my house, and I'm guessing this is the 2019 Angels Envy Cask strength.
Oh!
Yeah.
Damn it!
And look here. Why he's getting upset. It's also
right there!
It's right there. Now, I could be wrong. We're going to do the reveal on this one, so.
God, what is wrong with me? Of course it's finished. Follow us for more whiskey knowledge.
Oh, the only reason why is this is like literally one of my top 5 pours in my house. I love this bottle, so I could be wrong, but I am not.
But you're not. It is
I am not.
a 2019 Angels Envy Cask strength.
and it's finished in port.
122.4 proof.
Woo! Look
Excellent
here,
bottle.
the old Angels Envy Cask.
That's one of our first reviews together.
Yes, that's why I was laughing about this so much. But the old Angels Envy Cask strength is one of the better bottles you can ever find, and I love this one. I've shared it. I've actually made it through 1 bottle, and I'm just about through my second. But I also have a 2017 and 14. They'll be opening soon and reviewing on this channel. So.
Swallowed the wrong way. Merry Christmas. Well,
we gotta rate this too.
I think I'm just gonna quit drinking whiskey now because I don't know what I'm doing.
Look, this is the first time that we split where we've either been right or we've been wrong, and this is the first time we split. And unfortunately, me having the first-hand knowledge and know what's going into this and being extremely familiar with this bottle, like I said, I've made it through almost 2 bottles of this, and I absolutely adore this pour. So I had a little bit more insider information on trying to nail this bottle. So I wouldn't say don't take it too hard on yourself on this one because we've already messed up 2 where we were completely off on it.
Yeah, that's the worst thing that happens this week, and it's going to be a good week.
Yeah, look here. Ain't nothing wrong with drinking whiskey with friends, right?
That's right. Well, we've already rated, or did you give it a rating?
No, we didn't. And
I mean, we've done it before. I'll put a card here if you want to.
So we have to go, and I would say for any of the availability on the Angels Envy Cask strengths, they haven't even dropped the 2024 yet. But I would say these are medium, maybe 6 to 7. The price on these are going up and up, so like 200 to 220. I don't know what the 2024 is going to be, but I would say availability on this is probably going to be a 6, 6.5. What was in the bottle last year wasn't great, but what's in the bottle for this particular release is a 10 for me. And value on this one back then was probably 150. I still think it's a good price for a premium bottle. Yeah. I would probably put this roughly, I would want to call it like an 8.1. I would love to rate it higher, but it's just the fact that it's a discontinued bottle from 2019.
I'm going to go close. I'm an 8. It's just the discontinued bottle. Can't get it. But I love those Angel Envy Cask strength.
There you go. You sure you love them, though? I feel like you don't even know them, bro.
Okay. I like this one. If you don't mind, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It's going to notify you when we upload more whiskey content that we don't know what we're talking about. Thanks for stopping by, Henry. Appreciate it. Thanks for tricking me.
Hey, it's all good. Once again, happy holidays.
That's right. We'll see you next time.